Okay, so here's your homework for tonight. What I want you to do is I want you to graph y equals 1 over x. Now, I want the asymptotes drawn in. Can you draw the vertical asymptotes and horizontal asymptotes? This is crooked, but my camera fell. So, what are your two asymptotes?
0.
0 and 0.
X equals 0 and y equals 0. Now the one where you have the a value is 1, you only have 1, 1, and negative 1, negative 1. Okay? But all the other ones you're going to have 4 points. How do you do this one? Where are your asymptotes?
0, 0.
0, 0. And where are your points? Tell me where to go.
Up 2.
Over 2, up 1. 1, 2. 2, 1. Negative 1, negative 2. And negative 2, negative 1. So you look at this number right there. That's your, it's a vertical stretch by a factor of 2. How about the next one? What would you do?
Up 3 over 1.
Your asymptotes are
0.
0, 0. And where are you going to go?
Up 3 over 1.
When you say up 3, you mean this point right here. 1,
Yeah.
3, and 3, 1. And negative 1, negative 3, and 3, negative 1. Good? Number 4, how do you do this one? 4 over x. One, 4, so what's happening is your graph, the bigger the number, it's getting stretched. And where's this one going to be? 1, 5. And 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And negative 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what's different about this one right here? Where are you going to be at here?
2
You're going to be in
4.
quadrants what?
2 and 4.
2 and 4. So over 1, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 1. And over 1, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are we good?
Yeah.
Okay, flip it over. Okay, what do you do now? Can you tell me your vertical asymptote for this one?
2.
It's going to be x equals 2. What's your horizontal asymptote?
Y equals 1.
So let's graph these. X equals 2. And y equals 1. And can you tell me from there, where do you go? Your a value is 3. So from here, you're going to go up over 1, 1, 2, 3. I want that point. 1, 2, 3. And up 1. Draw your graph. These are your two branches. Now, can you tell me what the domain is for this?
All real numbers, x cannot be 2.
Ladies and gents.
In all real numbers, tell me,
All real numbers,
y can't be 1. Why can't it be 2? Because if you put a 2 here, 2 minus 2 is 0, and 3 over 0 is undefined. How about the next one? What's your vertical asymptote? X equals -2, y equals -4. So x equals -2, y equals -4. And you're gonna go 2 this way, that way, draw your branch. And the other branch. So your domain for this one is all real numbers, x can't be -2, all real numbers, y can't be -4. 2 more. What's your vertical asymptote? X equals -2, y equals -4. -2, there's -4. And your A value is 3, so you're gonna go over 1 up 3, over 3 up 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. That's your graph. Your domain is all real numbers. ARN, x cannot be -2. ARN, y cannot be -4. So that's that one. And the last one. Can you tell me what's your vertical asymptote for this one? X equals 0. So you've got, here is one asymptote, here's the other, and how are you gonna graph this one? You're gonna go over 1 up 4, over 4, 1.
You can fill out that application.
And your domain for this
It'll work.
is all real numbers, x can't be 0, all real numbers, y cannot be -3. Okay, so, did you guys learn how to graph reciprocal functions today?
Yes.
Do you know how to do transformations?
Yes.
Okay.